Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to activate your AT&T prepaid SIM card online. First, go to Google and type activate AT&T prepaid SIM card online. Click on the first link that appears. It should take you to the AT&T activation page. Remove your SIM card from the packaging and insert it into your unlocked phone. On the activation page, click Get Started. If you only have one SIM card, choose one line to activate. Enter your ICC ID or SIM number, IMEI number, and your zip code. If you're unsure where to find this, click on Where Can I Find It on the page for guidance. After entering all the required details, click Continue and follow the prompts to complete the activation. And that's it. That's how to activate your AT&T prepaid SIM card online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.